What do you say when you meet a friend? Well, listen to this conversation and repeat after me. You can start a conversation by saying, "Hey there." Then he says, "Hi." Then you say, "How are you?" Then he replies, "I'm fine, you?" And you here means, "What about you?" Here you could reply saying, "Not bad," which means "I'm good." And then he says, "Glad to hear that," which means "I'm happy to hear that." And after finishing the conversation, you can close it by saying, "See ya," or "See you." Then he says, "Bye." Now practice with me. "Hey there. How are you?" "Not bad. See ya." Good job. These phrases are really important, guys. You need to practice them. And let me know if you like the video so that I can upload more real conversations like this. Thank you for watching. See ya. Hello, guys. How are you? How to greet people in Eid? What do we say in English? Well, here are some suggestions. You could say Happy Eid, or Eid Mubarak, or Blessed Eid. And you could also say many happy returns. Again, Happy Eid, Eid Mubarak, Blessed Eid, many happy returns. Now let me design a greeting card for you. Happy Eid.